Kejadian 27, Genesis 27, ketika sudah tua dan matanya telah kabur, sehingga ia tidak dapat melihat lagi, dipanggilnyalah Esau, anak sulungnya, serta berkata kepadanya, "Anakku," sahut Esau, "ya Bapa." And it come to pass that when Isaac was old and his eyes were dim, so that he could not see, he called Esau his eldest son, and said unto him, "My son," he said unto him, "Behold, here am I." Berkatalah Ishak, "Lihat, aku sudah tua, aku tidak tahu bila hari kematianku." And he said, "Behold, no, I am old, I know not the day of my death." Maka sekarang ambillah senjatamu, tabung panah dan busurmu, pergilah ke padang dan burulah bagiku seekor binatang. Now therefore take Ephor and thy bow and go out to the field and take me some venison. Olahlah bagiku makanan yang enak seperti yang ku gemari. Sesudah itu bawalah kepadaku, supaya ku makan, agar aku memberkati engkau sebelum aku mati. And make me savory meat, such as I love, and bring it to me, that I am it, that my soul may bless thee before I die. Tetapi Ribkah mendengarkannya ketika Ishak berkata kepada Esau anaknya setelah Esau pergi ke padang memburu seekor binatang untuk dibawanya kepada ayahnya. And Rebekah heard when Ishak spake to Esau his son, and Esau went to the field to hunt for venison and to bring it. Berkatalah Ribka kepada Yakub anaknya, "Aku dengar ayahmu berkata kepada Esau kakakmu." And Rebekah speak unto Yakub her son, saying, "Behold, I heard thy father speak unto Esau thy brother, saying, Bawalah bagiku seekor binatang buruan dan olahlah bagiku makanan yang enak, supaya ku makan dan supaya aku memberkati engkau di hadapan Tuhan sebelum aku mati. Bring me venison and make me savory meat, that I may eat and bless thee before the Lord before my death." Maka sekarang anakku, dengarkanlah perkataanku seperti yang kuperintahkan kepadamu. Now therefore, my son, obey my voice according to that which I command thee. Pergilah ke tempat kambing domba kita, ambillah dari sana 2 anak kambing yang baik, maka aku akan mengolahnya menjadi makanan yang enak bagi ayahmu, seperti yang digemarinya. Go now to the flock and fetch me from thence 2 good kids of the goats, and I will make them savory meat for the father, such as he loved. Bawalah itu kepada ayahmu supaya dimakannya, agar dia memberkati engkau sebelum ia mati. And thou shalt bring it to thy father, that he may eat, and that he may bless thee before his death. Lalu kata Yakub kepada Ribka ibunya, "Tetapi Esau kakakku adalah seorang yang berbulu badannya, sedang aku ini kulit-kulicin." And Jacob said to Rebekah his mother, "Behold, Esau my brother is a hairy man, and I am a smooth man. Mungkin ayahku akan meraba aku, maka nanti ia akan menyangka bahwa aku mau memperolok-olokkan dia. Dengan demikian, aku akan mendatangkan kutuk atas diriku dan bukan berkat. My father peradventure will fill me, and I shall shame to him as the shepherd, and I shall bring a curse upon me, and not a blessing." Tapi ibunya itu berkata kepadanya, "Akulah yang menanggung kutuk itu, anakku. Dengarkan saja perkataanku. Pergilah, ambil kambing-kambing itu." And his mother said unto him, "Open me, be thy curse, my son. Only obey my voice and go fetch me them." Lalu ia pergi mengambil kambing-kambing itu dan membawanya kepada ibunya. Sesudah itu makanan yang enak seperti yang digemari ayahnya. And he went and fetched and brought them to his mother, and his mother made meat such as his mother loved. Kemudian mereka mengambil pakaian yang indah kepunyaan Esau anak sulungnya, pakaian yang disimpannya di rumah, lalu disuruhnyalah dikenakan oleh Yakub anak bungsunya. And Rebekah took godly raiment of her eldest sons Esau, which were with her in the house, and put them upon her younger son. Dan kulit anak kambing itu dipalutnya pada kedua tangan Yakub dan pada lehernya yang licin itu. And she put the skin of the kids of the goats upon his hands and upon the smooth of his neck. Lalu ia memberikan makanan yang enak dan yang telah diolehnya itu kepada Yakub anaknya. And she gave the shofrit and the bread which she had prepared into the hand of her sons Yakub. Demikianlah Yakub masuk ke tempat ayahnya, serta berkata, "Bapa," sahut ayahnya, "Ya anakku, siapakah engkau?" And he came unto his father and said, "My father." And he said, "Here am I. Who art thou, my son?" Kata Yakub kepadanya, "Akulah Esau, anak sulungmu. Telah kulakukan seperti yang Bapa katakan kepadaku. Bangunlah, duduklah, dan makanlah daging buruan masakanku ini, agar Bapa memberkati aku." And Yakub said unto his father, "I am Esau born. I have done according as to is me. Arise, I pray thee, sit and eat of my venison, that thou shalt my bless me." Lalu Ishak berkata kepada anaknya itu, "Lekas juga engkau mendapatkannya, anakku," jawabnya, "karena Tuhan Allahmu membuat aku mencapai tujuanku." And Ishak said unto his son, "How is it that thou hast found it quickly, my son?" And he said, "Because the Lord thy God brought it to me." Lalu kata Ishak kepada Yakub, "Datanglah mendekat, anakku, supaya aku meraba engkau. Apakah engkau ini anakku Esau atau bukan?" And Ishak said unto Yakub, "Come near, I pray thee, that I may feel thee, my son, whether to be my very son's Esau or not." Maka Yakub mendekati Ishak ayahnya, dan ayahnya itu merabanya serta berkata, "Kalau suara Yakub, kalau tangan Esau." And Yakub went near unto Ishak his father, and he felt him, and said, "The voice is Yakub's voice, but the hands are the hands of Esau." Jadi Ishak tidak mengenali dia, karena tangannya berbulu seperti tangan Esau kakaknya. Ishak hendak memberkati dia, and he discerned him not, because his hands were hairy as his brother Esau's hands, so he blessed him. Tetapi ia masih bertanya, "Benarkah engkau ini anakku Esau?" Jawabnya, "Ya." And he said, "Art thou my very son Esau?" And he said, "I am." Lalu berkatalah Ishak, "Dekatkanlah makanan itu kepadaku. Aku makan daging buruan masakan anakku, agar aku memberkati engkau." Jadi didekatkannya makanan itu kepada ayahnya. Lalu ia makan, dibawanya juga anggur kepadanya, lalu minum. And he said, "Bring it near to me, and I will eat my son's venison, that my soul may bless thee." And he brought it near to him, and he did eat, and he brought him wine, and he drank. Berkatalah Ishak ayahnya kepadanya, "Datanglah dekat-dekat dan ciumlah aku, anakku." And his father Ishak said unto him, "Come near now and kiss me, my son." Lalu datanglah Yakub dekat-dekat dan diciumnyalah ayahnya. Ketika Ishak mencium bau makanan Yakub, diberkatnyalah dia, katanya, "Sesungguhnya bau aku adalah sebagai bau padang yang diberkati Tuhan." And he came near and kissed him, and he smelled the smell of his raiment, and blessed him, and said, "See, the smell of my son is as the smell of a field which the Lord had blessed." Allah akan memberikan kepadamu embun yang dari langit dan tanah-tanah gemuk di bumi dan gandum serta anggur berlimpah-limpah. Therefore God give thee of the dough of heaven and the fatness of the earth and plenty of corn and wine. Bangsa-bangsa akan takluk kepadamu dan suku-suku bangsa akan sujud kepadamu. Jadilah tuan atas saudara-saudaramu dan anak-anak ibumu akan sujud kepadamu. Siapa yang mengutuk engkau, terkutuklah ia, dan siapa yang memberkati engkau, diberkatilah ia. Let people serve thee, and nation bow down to thee. Be Lord over thy brethren, and let thy mother's sons bow down to thee. Cursed be everyone that cursed thee, and blessed be he that blessed thee. Setelah Ishak selesai memberkati Yakub dan baru saja Yakub keluar meninggalkan Ishak ayahnya, pulanglah Esau kakaknya dari berburu. And it come to pass as Ishak had made an end of blessing Jacob, and Jacob was scarce gone out from the presence of Ishak his father, that Esau his brother come in from his hunting. Ia juga menyediakan makanan yang enak, lalu membawanya kepada ayahnya, katanya kepada ayahnya, "Bapa, bangunlah dan makan daging buruan masakan anakmu, agar engkau memberkati aku." And he also had made savory meat and brought it unto his father, and said unto his father, "Let my father arise and eat of his son's venison, that they shall my bless me." Tetapi kata Ishak ayahnya kepadanya, "Siapakah engkau ini?" Sahutnya, "Akulah anakmu, anak sulungmu Esau." And Ishak his father said unto him, "Who art thou?" And he said, "I am thy son." And the firstborn Esau. Lalu terkejutlah Ishak dengan sangat serta berkata, "Siapakah gerangan dia yang memburu binatang itu dan yang telah membawanya kepadaku? Aku telah memakan semuanya sebelum engkau datang dan telah memberkati dia, dan dia akan tetap orang yang diberkati." And Ishak traveled very exceedingly, and said, Where is he that taken venison and broke it me? And I have eaten of all before thou camest, and have blessed him. Yea, and he shall be blessed. Sesudah Esau mendengar perkataan ayahnya itu, meraung-raunglah ia dengan sangat keras dalam kepedihan hatinya, serta berkata kepada ayahnya, "Berkatilah aku ini juga ya Bapa." And heard the word of his father, he cried with a great and exceeding bitter cry, and said unto his father, "Bless me, even me also, O my father." Jawab ayahnya, "Adikmu telah datang dengan tipu daya dan telah merampas berkat yang untukmu itu." And he said, "The brother come with subtlety, and had taken away thy blessing." Kata Esau, "Bukankah tepat namanya Yakub, karena ia telah 2 kali menipu aku? Hak kesulunganku telah dirampasnya, dan sekarang dirampasnya pula berkat yang untukku." Lalu katanya, "Apakah Bapa tidak mempunyai berkat lain bagiku?" He said, "Is not he rightly named Jacob? For he hath disciplined me these 2 times. He took away my birthright, and behold, now he had taken away my blessing." And he said, "Hast thou not reserved a blessing for me?" Lalu Ishak menjawab Esau, katanya, "Sesungguhnya telah kuangkat dia menjadi tuan atas engkau, dan segala saudaranya telah kuberikan kepadanya menjadi hambanya, dan telah kubekali dia dengan gandum dan anggur. Maka kepadamu apalagi yang dapat kuperbuat, ya anakku?" And Ishak answered and said unto Esau, "Behold, I have made him their lord, and all his brethren have I given to him for servant, and with corn and wine have I sustained him. And what shall I do now unto thee, my son?" Atau kepada ayahnya, hanya berkat yang satu itukah ada padamu, ya Bapa, berkatilah aku ini juga, ya Bapa. Dan dengan suara keras menangislah Esau. And Esau said unto his father, how stupid, but one blessing, my father, be even me also. Oh, my father. And Esau left up his voice and wept. Lalu Ishak ayahnya menjawabnya, sesungguhnya tempat kediamanmu akan jauh dari tanah-tanah gemuk di bumi, dan jauh dari embun dari langit di atas. And Ishak his father answered and said unto him, behold, the dwelling shall be fatness of the earth, and of the dough of heaven from above. Engkau akan hidup dari pedangmu, dan engkau akan menjadi hamba adikmu. Tetapi akan terjadi kelak apabila engkau berusaha sungguh-sungguh, maka engkau akan melemparkan kup itu dari tengkukmu. And by the sword shalt thou love, and shalt serve thy brother, and it shall come to pass when thou shalt have the dominion that thou shalt break his yoke from off thy neck. Esau menaruh dendam kepada Yakub karena berkat yang telah diberikan oleh ayahnya kepadanya. Lalu ia berkata kepada dirinya sendiri, hari-hari berkabung karena kematian ayahku itu tidak akan lama lagi. Pada waktu Yakub adikku akan kubunuh. And Esau had Yakub because of the blessing wherewith his father blessed him. And Esau said in his heart, the days of mourning for my father are at hand, then will I slay my brother Yakob. Ketika diberitahukan perkataan Esau anak sulungnya itu kepada Ribka, maka disuruhnyalah memanggil Yakob anak bungsunya, lalu berkata kepadanya, Esau kakakmu bermaksud membalas dendam, membunuh engkau. And these words of Esau, her elder son, were told to Rebekah, and she sent and called Jacob his younger sons, and said unto him, behold, thy brother Esau is touching thee, and doth comfort himself purposing to kill thee. Jadi sekarang anakku, dengarkanku, bersiaplah engkau dan larilah kepada Laban saudaraku ke Haran. Now therefore, my son, obey my voice, and arise, flee thou to Laban my brother, to Haran. Dan tinggallah padanya beberapa waktu lamanya sampai ke Geraman, and tarry with him a few days until the brother father turn away. Dan kemarahan kakakmu itu surut daripadamu, dan ia lupa apa yang telah engkau perbuat kepadanya. Kemudian aku akan menyuruh orang menjemput engkau dari situ. Mengapa aku akan kehilangan kamu berdua pada satu hari juga? Until the brother angels turn away from thee, and he forget that which thou hast done to him, then I will send and fetch thee from thence. Why shall I be deprived also of you both and one die? Kemudian Ribka berkata kepada Ishak, aku telah jemu hidup karena perempuan-perempuan Het itu. Jika aku juga mengambil seorang istri dari antara perempuan negeri ini, semacam perempuan Het itu, apa gunanya aku hidup lagi? And Rebekah said to Ishak, I am weary of my life because of the daughter of Het. If Jacob take away of the daughter of Het such as this which are the daughter of the land, what good shall my life do me?